My name is Kat, and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you for joining us for our Sprouts craft today. We're going to be making our very own paper plate owls. For today's craft, you need 1 paper plate, crayons, glue, 2 construction paper circles. Mine are yellow. They can be any color you like. 1 construction paper orange triangle, and 2 little feet. And these were easy to make. I just clipped it up both sides and then made a letter W. The first thing we're going to do is make the feathers on the owl's belly. I have 3 different colors I'm going to use here, and I'm just going to make little loops all the way across the center part in 1 color, and then the second color, and then the 3rd color. And I'm going to repeat this pattern until all of the center of the plate is covered in these pretty colors. They look like streamers. Like if you were having an owl party, they're supposed to be feathers. But our artwork can be whatever we like. You don't have to do this pattern either. You can do any pattern that you want. You just want to make sure that you are happy with the way that it looks. There we go. Now we're going to fold over one edge here and push it down, and then fold over the other edge here and push it down. And we can color these wings, but first we're going to fold the top down this way. And this is what it's going to look like. So we need to color the side of the wings, and if you want to color the top part here, now is the time to do it. I'm going to use these same colors and make a pattern that goes down the wings like this. Let's see. I have red, purple, and brown. And I'm going to repeat that again if I have room. So we have red and purple. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to do the same exact ones on the other side here. So red, purple, and brown. And again, you don't have to do stripes like I'm doing. You can do zigzags or shooting stars or rainbows or polka dots or anything you want. This is your owl. It can look however you want it to. I wanted his wings to match from one to the other. That's why I'm doing it like this. And it looks like on this side I have a little bit more room than I had on the other side. I might have folded it in a little farther, but that's okay. And red. There we go. I'm going to put some glue right on the top here. And we're going to fold this over and push, push, push down. And there we go. That's our owl's body. Now we have his 2 little feet. Oops, that's okay. I can fix that. I am going to put some glue at the top of the little feet and put them down at the bottom of the plate. There we go. I'm also going to take these yellow circles, and before I glue them on, I'm going to draw a big circle right in the middle. And this is for our owl's eyes. There they are. We're going to put them right at the top here. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting my plate to stay down. Hopefully this will help, but if not, I could use some tape or a staple or anything else that might work. There we go. So I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to overlap these a little bit in the middle. I like the way that looks. And then we will take our triangle here, and right in the middle there, we're going to glue that down as well. And here is our owl. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts videos, or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Have a wonderful day.